Hello and welcome to my front-end basics series of tutorials. For some time now, I've been trying to, my YouTube channel has been dormant and I was not able to, I have made these plans last year, but there was no time and a lot of other things were happening. But now there is finally some time and I figured, okay, I might as well get this plan going, and that is what this is. So let's get to it. So what are you going to learn at the end of this very hopefully a very long series of videos? So my plan is yeah, that's about me. Of course, yeah. If you you can follow me on GitHub. You can visit my website. Email me if you have questions. I'm just gonna leave that for a second there. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that for a second. I do have my second monitor here, so I can look at what I'm gonna do next and stuff like that. I'm recording this on OBS, so again, that is also running on my second monitor and everything. So there's that. I got to keep an eye on that as well. Okay, all right. So now, what exactly am I planning to do? So hello and welcome. So I'm a coding tutor. I've been doing this for about 12 plus years now. So I've been working from home, from my home office. I'm a freelancer, a self-employed kind of a person. And again, as the slide says, I just want to put some videos on my YouTube channel, which has gone dormant. And I figured, okay, it'll help my work as well. So I'm really what I'm planning to do in this series of videos is show how to do web development for beginners. So if you already know some web development, then I don't think my videos are going to help you right now. So this video is primarily for someone who is very new, like really new, like you don't even know what an editor is or something like that. So this is designed for beginners, and I'll be touching upon JavaScript, I'll be touching upon HTML, CSS, a little bit of Bootstrap, everything just the basic. No, I'm not really trying to go deep here. And also I'm going to show you how to use a variety of developer tools, the browser developer tools. I'll be using GitHub all the time, so I'll do that. Obviously we'll be using VS Code and general coding information and so on and so forth. Now, what exactly will we do at the end? So at the end of these videos, I expect there's going to be a lot of videos, because this is not one of those learn everything in 1 hour, 2 hour kind of video. So I'm going to take my own time. So these videos are primarily meant for students who are patient and are looking to code along with me. I'm going to try to avoid copy pasting anything, even something like CSS, which I'm slightly on the weaker side, but I'll still try to type every CSS, every Bootstrap class, every line of code, even comments, everything live, so that you know exactly what I'm doing and hopefully you can code along. So what is the end game here? Now you should know what you might be willing to build, what you can build at the end of this series of tutorial videos. So I already have the project ready. I had this project ready last year itself, and I was supposed to make these videos last year. I couldn't do it, so now I'm trying again. There were a few false starts. This could be false start as well. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. The future is, of course, uncertain. So what exactly are we going to build? So let me go ahead and bring it up here. Now, if you don't, I'm going to talk about all these things in future videos, but the first thing is you should already have your, GitHub account. So let's get this here. Okay, there we go. So that is my GitHub account. Okay, so hopefully you will I put the links in the video description. You can follow me and stuff like that. Now what I'm really going to do is, if you scroll down on my profile, if you do visit my profile, please follow me. Hold on, let me just open this in a private tab. Feel free to go ahead and follow me. I do like to have some followers on my profile. I think it helps me in my career and everything. So if you scroll down here on the bottom, there are 3 things that I'm right now focusing on in my tutoring profession as a freelance tutor. I'm focusing on C#, I'm focusing on front end, and also I'm focusing on Next.js, which is back-end full stack development, along with React.js. I plan to do, obviously if you look here, you'll be doing Vanilla.js, which is JavaScript, HTML, and CSS with Bootstrap, and of course you'll also be doing some React.js with Redux Toolkit, also with Bootstrap. So you will be doing some React.js with me by the end of this series of videos. But yeah, these are the 3 areas I'm focusing right now. This is what really I'm going for. And if you go here, go to this one, which is an always open tabs in a new tab, right? And if you go here, you'll see all the projects I'm talking about. Now, what exactly? So NASA APOD. So let me open this here. And if I scroll down, I see here I have 4 projects. all of them are related, but the one I want to teach you by the end of this, not this video, like the series of videos at the end after 10 videos or 20 videos, 20 hours or 30 hours, however long it takes. I'm not putting myself any set time duration here. I'm going to keep this open-ended. So at the end of this series, you should be able to build something like this. So let's go ahead and try to open that here. Hold on, let me just check and make sure this is the right link. Oh, that is not the right link. See, that's what I was talking about. Oh, hold on, let me just get that from my CodePen. Hold on. There you go. I added an extra let me just fix that right now. Hold on a minute. Let me just do that. Okay, by mistake I added an extra P, and let's just check that. Okay, there you go. Okay, all right, let me just commit this. I'll teach how to commit and Git and everything. I'll do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna commit this directly to the main branch. It's fine. It's nothing complex. I work solo, so yeah, there you go. So this is what you will be building at the end of this project. Let me open that in a new tab. So there you go. And this is Vanilla.js. Okay, just you can see here it just uses some HTML, some CSS, and JavaScript. That's it. No framework, no library, anything. So I'm just going to open developer tools here. And oh, my face is blocking it. Let me just remove my face for a second. Yeah, there you go. So now I can go ahead and click on this, and you can see here on the right side it makes some calls to the NASA API. I'll talk about the let me just open that right now. This is an API I like to use in this current series of videos, mainly because I like it. I've been using it for many years. It always works. It's free. This is what I'm talking about. So what it does is it shows you an astronomy picture of the day. So there you go. Every day a new picture comes. It's very simple, but very useful for learning, especially for practicing and beginners. So this is what you'll be building at the end of this series of videos. So this is the Vanilla.js version. Where's my PowerPoint? Yeah, there you go. So this is the Vanilla.js version I was talking about. And let me show you the React.js version as well. So let's go here, go back to front end for students, scroll down. Yeah, React.js for students. Okay, let me get my face back up. Yeah, there we go. And again, here I have a few projects which are all interrelated, but what I'm really focusing on is this one, which is Redux Toolkit NASA. The code is there, but I'm just going to use the code sandbox version. Once again, let me just check and make sure this is the right one on my second monitor. It's loading, it's loading. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So this is the right one, and here it is. Okay, this is the Redux project. Did you ignore the attractive photos? Just focus on the, yeah, there you go. So this is the one. Let me just open this in a new tab. And then I click on this. It will load the NASA APOD data from NASA API. So there you go. This is the React version. And here is the CodePen version. There you go. Two versions. Okay, they both do pretty much the same thing. This one on the left side is the Vanilla.js, and the one on the right side is the React.js Redux Toolkit version. So my plan is at the end of this series of videos, I don't know how many videos there'll be, how many hours it might take. As I mentioned, I'm kind of keeping it open-ended. And my plan is to, again, this is meant for very, very beginners. So I'm going to go like really basic with all the videos here. So I'm just going to assume that you know nothing, and then I'm going to go from there. So that is my plan. So thank you. Hopefully this video is useful to you. And this is something I've been trying to do for so many months, perhaps more than a year now, and I have some time now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make as many videos as I can. So I will, as always, go ahead and follow me. If you have email is there. You can visit my website or follow me on GitHub. I will see you in the next video.